How to fix iPhone not responding to touch. I'm gonna show you a few different fixes. For the first one, I want you to look at the side of your iPhone. You will see the volume up, volume down, and also another button on the other side of your iPhone. You just want to press those three buttons simultaneously and you will force restart your phone. So that's gonna be the first thing. So like I said, you will press the volume up, volume down, and the power button to the side, hold for a few seconds, and you will get the option to force restart your phone. Now, the second thing that I suggest doing is checking if you have any accessories connected, such as cables, chargers, and other stuff. So you want to disconnect those. For example, if it's charging, make sure you disconnect the cable and then see if that fixes the issue. And for the last thing that I suggest doing, if you somehow manage to get into your settings, for example, let's say that half of your screen is working, then you want to go into general and then software update. And right here, you just want to update to the latest version of your iOS. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.